How to activate dark mode on Messenger Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no way for you to turn on the Messenger Lite to dark mode within the app itself. Even if you turned on your phone to dark mode, the app will not follow. It will not do the same thing. However, luckily, there's an easy workaround that we can use, which will allow us to get the same effect, and it will allow us to turn on the Messenger Lite to dark mode. And it goes like this: open up your settings, scroll all the way down to About Phone, and then click on Software Information, and then you will see the option that says Build Number. So click on it 7 times to activate and enable the developer options. One more time. Enter your password or model if it asks you to. Click Next. Now, as you can see, it tells you that developer mode has been turned on. Go back to the previous page and then scroll all the way down to the end of the page. You will see it says Developer Options. Click on it, and using the search icon at the top right corner of the screen, search for dark mode. And as you can see here, it gives you a result that says Force Dark Mode. Click on it. And let's activate this one by clicking on the toggle next to it. As you can see, it tells you this will force apps to use dark mode even if not fully supported, which is our case with the Messenger Lite app. Now let's open up the Messenger Lite and see what will happen. Let us turn the phone to dark mode. There you have it. As you can see, the Messenger Lite has now turned on to dark mode, and unfortunately this is the only way to do so right now. So yeah, we just have to do it like this. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn on the dark mode and enable it on the Messenger Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.